Hi everyone, welcome back to Newzee. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of light and art as we explore the captivating installations and sculptures of the Copenhagen Light Festival. I am your host Nakash and I can't wait to take you on this visual journey through the Danish capital's February nights. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let's get started. The Copenhagen Light Festival, now in its 7th edition, has once again transformed the city into a mesmerizing canvas of light and creativity. From February 2nd to February 25th, the festival showcases a dazzling array of art installations, sculptures and projections that brighten up the dark winter nights. We had the chance to catch up with some of the talented artists, both local and international, who contributed to this year's festival. Their passion and creativity have truly brought Copenhagen to life in a whole new light.
Yeah, Copenhagen Light Festival is it's a great idea. It's a really good idea for Copenhagen. You see Copenhagen in a new perspective. Suddenly you have all this light everywhere. You see all these iconic buildings in an entirely new perspective. We really enjoy it.
The work is called Love and War because it's about the love life of Ukrainians. I chose this focus because I wanted to focus on something different than the news stories. I wanted to focus on the lives of ordinary people. I have learned from this war piece that it's really tough and hard to live through war, but you have to keep hope, you have to keep loving, or otherwise it's not worth fighting for your life.
I think it gives me the opportunity to look at art in the public space, with the Copenhagen scenery being changed by the light. It's a good way to see the city in another light.
To fully immerse yourself in the magic of the festivity, visitors can take part in walking and cycling tours that focus on different themes, whether you are interested in the modern art, historical perspectives, or something entirely unique. There's a tour for everyone. As we wrap up our journey through the Copenhagen Light Festival, I'm left in awe of the creativity and innovation on display. It's incredible how art can transform a city and bring people together. If you are ever in Copenhagen during February, make sure to check out this magical event. Thanks for joining us today on Newzee, and until next time, keep exploring the beauty around you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite light installation from the festival. See you in the next video.